Shout out to everybody that's tuned in and is participating with us tonight. As you know, we are your Upnlive show team. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by Shushprint. Usually in TGM Radio Studio, but I don't know. Road to open up, so we're so forward back, yeah? Things so
21st.
21st, and we're looking forward to it. So you know, when them have them calendar, they mark on the date, X off the date, closer to the time. That's what we're doing. Talking about the weekend, we want to give a big shout out to Nickel Play Me Tune and his team. And thanks again for the invitation that you extended to us on Friday. We'll go over there all our vibes and we'll play some game and we'll learn some things and we'll
chat. The rap we here, sir.
Eh?
The rap we here, sir. Set up.
Well, don't worry, we can have a part few, you know, or a
rematch, man, and deal with them wicked.
To Nickel and the team, as well as the Flames Radio, who hosted Summer Dreams, like I said, February 2021.
Yeah,
because you know them have various segments. Shout out to everybody that was participating, as well as the online patrons, the persons who provided entertainment. So Young One Sound, Loyal Squad, Days, Rock Boss, Amaria BB, Trey Blue, as well as the big bad dancers them that were on site. Miss Bombs. Miss Bombs, Sheeda, Nalu, and Official Bima from start to finish, and it was a great vibes. Did enjoy the one day as much as I did.
Yeah, I enjoy it. I like the variation of what them bring, you know, and the dancers bring a different element to it rather than just a select that short and amaze the whole night.
It was
nice. Like it, and so big up Flames to that one there.
Big up Flames, and then we have to shout out to legendary Sundays team Black Knight Sound, who we call it the after party to Summer Dreams. So after everybody forward over from Summer Dreams, them go over legendary Sundays to support the Black Knight. So it was a good look. Whole heap of people win them prize, obviously, because they had to continue the raffle. It was a good way to start the week off. Some persons, based on how you look at it, they will be ending their week on a Sunday, starting on Monday. My week starts on a Sunday, so it was a good start of the week for me.
For me, it's still my week, you know. It's a Sunday finish. So big up Black Knight, so you know, keep the vibes as usual.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's something there, you know.
Yeah. I'm like the man energy, yo. Like the from I was about to say father something, but it wasn't Cowboy. I don't know what came into my head a while ago. Big up to Cowboy, KJ, Dio. English Fire was also over there as well as the host. The synergy that they have is a really, really good one, and you can see and not just people link up for just come and do a thing. Like them a genuine family, and you can literally see that through the actions and the communications that they have with each other.
Body language.
Shout out to them. And we're grateful for your platform as well and the various aspects of it, because you know them have them different shows during the week. So give thanks and
big up in yourself. Also big up the people them on Instagram login right now. Big up to is it Lily put I can't say her name, Lily Putili. What you say that name the mama?
Lily Putili,
yeah. So what I mean?
Big up for the time music. BMT login, you see. Lisa, big up yourself, 7.
And Shireen, big up yourself from Play Me Tune.
Big man things till the weekend festive. You see me? Like a big things going over the weekend, and you have to big up everybody who go out and support the people in life. People, so my time, if they can't, the whole of them just log on to one car, you know?
At least one,
So
I still
Big up Royal, Facebook him same there.
Facebook him there. And obviously again, a big belated birthday to Don Crazy, DJ Axe, DJ Raheem. Yeah, all of them celebrate their birthday over the weekend. So yeah, Earth Strong and more life and more blessings to you all. Hot topics. What we gonna chat about now?
Me just address something first.
What is
me address something first. So Rick, over to you. Me see you do a post today.
First.
Say you will never play one Eastside artist song. Me call him name Skilly Banks. You say you never will play Skilly Banks song because you would, no matter how much money them gear, you would not promote it either. Because why? Content what song talk about?
Yeah, they can't. No, it's just all right. There's let me get it right because other artists did the same thing. Vibes Cartel did the same thing as well in the past enough time and in Ghetto with it. But I just think this song, the morals of the song, the video, and everything is just wrong. The song didn't even start with that.
Are you talking about Coke? Or is
no,
it
not Coke. It's a new song by Skilly Banks.
Two Girls Suck
Two Girls.
That's the song's name. Yeah. Two Girls Suck Him, you know?
Yeah.
That's the name of the song?
Boy, I mean, no.
No, the song starts Two Girls. But that's the first. That's the main line.
Two Girls Suck Him cock.
Basically.
But hold on, Rick.
Jagan, you have a song?
Hold on. No, you know, me not download it. Hold on. Remember, Intent sing a song the other day say, I'm browning mouth him use as him astray.
Yeah, but you know me not play them a song there. You know my style already. You have ever hear me play anything like that?
And me hear play a gate song, you know, down in a throat, you know. And right now, if me check your laptop, go the Phantom Moja, go that Depani, where I say more girl and make them vomit. The one where Muta say.
No, me not have that.
So me just tell Eric, it's a art form, and as long as them now sing about no homophobic lyrics in it, are no gay in feel. Nothing crossy border. Me good with it because an idea, Rick. You see an idea. We have to understand, say, dancehall music. That's a point where this thing is kind of the norm. All of them talk about conscience, them Shensia, Dove Magnum. Everybody are sing about sex.
It doesn't make it right.
Make it right.
Doesn't make it right because it's the norm. So it's okay for there's okay for Dragon to play it. It's okay for Fire Cube to play it. It's okay for Rasta to blaze it in our headphones as you feel like. But for Rick,
as an entertainer.
So you see even
as an entertainer, you feel listen. You are doing yourself justice if you go to a venue like a hardcore dancehall venue, and suppose if that song turn out to be one of the biggest hit of 2021. You go to a hardcore dancehall venue and you do not play that song. You feel like say it's right for the patrons them, whoever come out for, enjoy themselves, pay them money, come to a venue and them don't hear them favorite song.
Yeah, exactly. And you just don't book me. So I lose the booking. But there's things in life that you do that you get monetary value from, and then there's things in life that you do, you get moral value from. So you need to outweigh which one of them you want.
I agree
so
with that.
The value for morals to me outweighs the value of money for me. So it doesn't matter how much popularity you get from play the baddest song.
Yeah.
It's just not for me.
Well,
so me not say nobody.
To me, I feel like it's an art form because you could have said the same thing with gun song. It's an art form and I'm gonna express himself because it's them life where them I live. So I don't have a problem with playing this song, and any DJ or any selector we feel like say them don't want to play the song. We feel like say them don't want to play the song.
We're not going about the song we posted earlier, Rick.
Una look on life wrong. Because any idea it's a song, it's an art form. I now say play it in front of your kids, because you can't
say somebody look it wrong, dog. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion.
That's a fake opinion, and my opinion say them look on it wrong. Because listen, you have spaces made for these songs to be played. I'm not saying to play these songs in front of your kids. And for you outright as a DJ, if you say, yo, I now play the song, it don't look good because I see him time I show the culture. Because remember, dirty song being singing from mentor days. Remember a little song was a soldering where the young girl want?
Exactly, but if I tell my child soldering, she's going to ask him what the meaning of soldering is.
Hold on.
She better get a soldering.
And a little mentor song what the guy say, say, girl, you borrow money, and she say, "Ah, true." Say you da give me pussy for real. Yes, ah, true.
Yeah.
Remember them song that was really dirty, and that song is from way in the early 70s or late 60s. So I'm telling you, dancehall always been this way. So for you as a dancehall selector, I kind of shoot some I think like you want dancehall clean and change up. And a R&B music, this dog, and a jazz and blues. These are the grimy side of life.
Dragon, can I give a response to that?
Go on, no.
I don't think it is a matter of shunning the culture. It, as Rick rightly said, it all boils down to a person's morals. If he doesn't feel comfortable with playing a certain song, him just not gonna play it. And we have had this discussion before that music comes out on a daily basis, and every DJ will not digest the same songs for the same artist all the time. There are certain songs that will resonate with you. There are certain songs that you will say that, yeah, me can add this to my playlist and feel comfortable. We have to understand that everybody is different.
People, what
you
think?
might not have...
And that make it work as well.
Exactly, and that makes it work. So you will still have persons in different areas. So if Rick now play the ashtray intense ashtray and skillibeng cool girl thing, I mean, you are another DJ. You are there, and you for them who want here.
All right. Can I interject again?
Yeah. And we have to wrap up soon because time.
Yeah, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. All right. Let's use a common. Do you know Muta Baruka?
That was a sarcastic response.
Yeah. Would you say Muta Baruka contributes to dancehall culture?
Yes, he does.
Do you hear Muta Baruka play any of these songs?
No, but no, we don't listen to Muta Baruka for music. We listen to Muta Baruka for the talking. That's what Muta Baruka is about.
All right. Forget about Muta. Name me one reggae DJ you know that plays these type of plays one drop music. Let me see something. Stone Love song.
BSI the same. All of the sound them. All of the DJ them have them time when they play one drop. Yeah.
Okay, and me no want you don't take a look of time.
Yeah, explain it, man. We have time. Explain yourself. Cause we are all a reasoning.
No, listen, all right, we are all a reasoning. So let me find what's a player. We just say Gary G.
Yeah.
Or GT Taylor is a part of the culture. You hear GT Taylor play these type of songs?
Yes, big man.
I'm sure he's a part of the culture.
Me hear GT Taylor.
GT don't play a certain type of thing.
Hold on. GT Taylor do not play only one drop. GT Taylor play hardcore reggae music. And Rick,
I know he does play, but the point I'm trying to make is that you have a choice to make. So it's the onus is on you to play what you feel like. Your music, you express yourself. So me and you can get 10 songs as a DJ and you play it different. But that's what I'm saying. So I, as a person, I choose to express myself as a different individual, and the way I play and the songs of choices I make are going to be necessarily from my own perspective. So this is one of
on the Rasta. Let me just reply quickly. All right, Rick, so your duty as a DJ is to play the people's or the crowd's favorite, right? Because
no, that's where you get it wrong.
Hold on, no. Let me just
that's where you get it wrong.
Let me explain.
And this is the problem with DJs now.
Let me explain it, and then you can go ahead and answer me, right?
1 minute, Dragon,
so
and Rick.
Your duty as a DJ is to play the song them that the people love and know. And every now and then you can sneak in some song for about some artists.
Yeah.
Get some song known. But if you go to a venue, say right now, what's the artist song right now? All right, say you go to one party and you don't play no Skillibeng and Cartel because Cartel this year. Cartel send you up on your mother. Right? Mm-hmm. You as a DJ not gonna do yourself no favor, and people not gonna rate you as a DJ, because as soon as people know that that's the type of DJ who you are, people also say, no man, me are growing up. Because listen, if you skip from playing the top 10 are the best music them at the time, you not do yourself no favor, dog.
Okay, that's how you.
Can I ask a question? Do you go to every party and play top 10 song?
Not really, but you have to kind of intertwine them. Somebody have to play them.
So it depends. It depends, good boy. So if me no play them, somebody else go play them. So like they won't play in the party.
So if my segment just never book on the party?
Segment just never have no cartel in it.
Give me 30 seconds out here, because I know time short. So.
We're going to wrap up.
Big up Flavor young ones online. Big up yourself, Flavor.
He says Skillibeng song is not dancehall.
Okay, let me answer back to Dragon. See, this is the problem with we as we need to be careful defining the term of DJs and selectors. DJs is not the person who plays whatever is hot or whatever is trending.
Yeah, go ahead.
That is a radio personality's job to introduce new music. As a DJ, you don't have to interject new music. It's by choice. As a DJ is for you to interject your creativity in delivering the music art form, whichever is there, is whether it be new, old, or whatever. Deliver it to the people, make them they enjoy it. So you can play a whole set and you don't have to play no new music.
In a perfect
so the
world.
choice is on you. No, it's not in a perfect. It's any world, because the most of the dancing were up in England over here. Yeah, they like to play the new dance, but there's certain this selector don't play Crazy Heads. Do you hear Crazy Heads how they play any new song? It's just playing ladies and his one job.
But
and
hold
it
on.
works for him.
Those are hit songs, right? Those are hit songs. Those are hit songs. Hit big songs. And I'm telling you, say, in a party, all right, say hold on. Let me clarify this now. Party I done 5 o'clock, you come on 4 o'clock for close the show, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Them is the hot song at the moment. You come on and you shelf them, you'll get one shandy battle. Straight up. One
Brother, there's loads of songs to play, brother.
Yeah,
So
and
it depends on the vibe of the party.
And there are a lot of factors. It
like I
depends on
say,
the vibes
you
of the
come on
party.
4 the party I done 5, you have 3 DJ play before him. So the little juggling song them and little regular song them play done. You have to play it.
Yeah.
All right.
So
What
I
could
mean,
Let's
yeah,
move
play
on.
music, like, stop the foolishness.
Let's move on from that topic. I don't take up the whole like what evening this.
The progress bar say when I play top 10 in the
Dragon
first 15 minutes, you don't get a look in. So I don't mean when I say it.
And you
Brother,
don't,
you messy.
which is true. We understand that, but what I'm saying is the point that we started out with about the whole playing the skilly bang, playing the intent. It all boils down to people's morals and values. If you don't feel like say you want to play it, if it not sit right with you,
Yeah.
you're just not gonna play it. But
Just
on
leave
the
it
other
alone.
hand, there are other DJs out there who are willing to play it. Every DJ are gonna play the top 10 current hits. That's what I am Francis saying on Instagram. We understand, but I'm saying that the music industry is wide enough, and we have a lot of talented DJs there who are in different sectors of the music, who will pick and choose their genres, and patrons will see their craft and how they play and will decide based on planning them event. This is the person I want to play at this time because
they bring that
they bring that. So it all boils down to how
I agree if you disagree. Load up point there alone.
Yes. Let us agree.
Let's move on. Next
All right.
Next topic.
Shout out to Dr. That's on Instagram as well. Thanks for joining us.
There's something there, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the next topic now. Moving forward, life after lockdown, parties after lockdown, because now we have a benchmark date for say these are when we allow for go off again, do some party. So we know.
Can I just give my take on that quickly?
Go ahead, Q.
I am all for this free up on this Garwood business. But the government say we are going to take time and ease going at the free up. See? Let me tell you this, man. As soon as the gate open, you ever see sheep what you get.
Take off.
So hold on the fire cue.
And then the thing I go to spike again.
Hold on fire cue. I mean for cut. I not talk about the whole vaccination at the land. My boys don't worry about that. We are talking about our little dance, our little enjoyment. See?
I mean, want you about vaccine, you know.
Hold on, I could talk about our little enjoyment a little bit. So in the dancehall space, we know over the years, where they are foreign and some of the dancehall part of them shabbier than the part of them at Jamaica. And everybody see it and know. So I'm just calling out for some of these promoters and some of these people who is not really a promoter, but you want to keep something. I'm calling you guys and your attention for kind of do it properly. And selectors and people, if we do a little headphone part to them, that's some of you. I could try to do it early. Right? Because there's a whole opportunity to be fixing dancehall because them have this movement going on. Where going on, Rick? Where them say dancehall reggae association. So me a little whispers been making, you know, say a little conference for all and Ray.
Yeah.
And Hold on, Rick.
I think it needs.
Let me finish. This
Go on,
conference when
I
it's a whole.
Go on.
Big man, may I tell you, see, whoever is the organizers of this, make sure say you get the right people. And the people them what them call London Finest and the big promoter them in England, make sure say they are invited or you do a live or something and call them out so people know so you do it publicly. Because we don't want to hear say when this go on and some of them don't turn up and them come talk and say, yo, them didn't get any invitation to join it. So try do it publicly, even on a live or something, you know, and call some name and say, yo, these are some of the people who want to go there because me understand so the young generation what's coming up. There's not a lot of problem with the young generation.
No, but
the young generation is jigging together.
You know, to honest,
so when I want them say,
yeah,
who them people here talk for dancehall over here, what them know about England and dancehall because when this are going back in ideas, it's not about back in the days, it's about now because dancehall do have a future. So we have to protect dancehall and make it better. So we have a bright future. So the big promoter them,
you know, you just
have forward another thing.
No,
yeah, we not.
No, you just have the problem. You just said the answer. It's not the big promoters them no more. It's the new happening for donkey kill.
But we need the big promoters to be a part of the thing because obviously you don't want to do something. You're gonna have some little people attack run one part. I'm sorry, remember not use that word and say little people. You have them who run one part or talk so they didn't get invited. So I'm asking whoever is the organizers to do it publicly. So when they do it publicly, they cannot say them never get invited. Make them feel shame and say, yo, you look man them do it and yeah right. So do it publicly, the man them do on live, tag some man, make them confirm on the live, say yeah, them do it, I wanna set a date and have a conversation because you explain Agoric.
Let me put to as a sense that
2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes.
Less than 2 minutes, we use. I'm time shot. So World Mag has been spearheading this. He's been putting on posts all over the last couple of days, over the last week. He's been tagging all the big selectors. Them. Nobody wants to comment. See progress say it so not for the man them free to talk, which is right. So we've been tagging most of the big players them in the all the man see the post and though is like it. No one comments and without any one commenting and putting any info in place. There is not going to reach anywhere, so it's going to be like a spinning circle. So you said something earlier, Dragon, that the new school DJ them are coming at the thing now, and they're the ones that can actually make a change. Because if you realize the old one them stubborn and they're not doing anything. So if you train the young ones them now and get them to agree, say, all right, listen, you don't have to do all heap, you know. You just need to agree, say, all right, as a benchmark, all right. If you're going to do a party or a dance, you have a set mark, so you forget £150 or £100 or £50 or £30, whatever, that's the minimum. Because really and truly, you can't tell no man of a charge.
True.
So, but you just have one minimum, one bare minimum. So, all right, if you do one party, you know, so at least if you see my play there, so you know, so you might get $50 guy in my yard. You can't charge any more over that.
Right.
That's just simple look at that. And certain little things in that park, you know, so you're supposed to reach when you're on time and then look at something there. That is
people need to be more punctual for real.
Yeah, but you can't tell an old man that.
I know this now. You say you can't tell an old man this, and I don't know why you keep saying say old man and the young youth them to do it alone. Remember, you cannot disrespect who set the foundation, and you have to give respect where it's due. I know certain people are the older people them. They are more. They're not so adaptive to change, right? So the younger DJ are more adaptive to change than the younger promoters. But at the same time, they are the forefathers of dancehall over here. We have a dancehall to enjoy.
I'm just
trying to say, I'm not saying to leave them out, but I'm saying we don't want to do this without them. So you say everybody keep liking the posts are doing that. See you have English Fire, you have Liars, get one of them and make one of them campaign the thing as if are the front runner. You know, one of the more popular faces where them and them mingle more then. Yeah. You know, make one of them be the face and, you know, have these kind of live. Call them up on live and say, yo, we do this. And we'll call them on the live and say, yo, we have this and we have a little meeting and we'd like for you join. Right? And hold on for you.
Look,
hold on, I'm finish up. So when I do this now, a man cannot say he didn't get invited because what's gonna happen? Oh, no, I don't know. Just post it in vain. So when you post it, I'm gonna say, yo, him no know who I do it or him no business who I go on over there, so them I do them thing. So when I invite a man publicly, him cannot deny it and say him didn't get invited because if it work and if everything go on good, the whole of them all say, oh, them do it and then invite you and rare. So I'm trying to say, just do it publicly.
Understandable.
So everybody get invited.
But I agree with you, Dragon, but we have to also look at it from another perspective. You can't be planning something and putting things out there without having a proper plan. Remember, say if you don't plan properly, the foundation might drop down before you even go no further, right? So I guess I'm assuming that they're taking this time to link the necessary people, and when the time comes when the road are gonna open up, so to speak, and we can all get and sit down, then more information will be given. But I don't think we should look at it blindsidedly and say that, oh yes, they're posting. We see a few people posting, but this is all that they're going to do. We have to, give them the benefit of the doubt, give them time to do the proper planning and to come to us with the necessary information that is needed, because we don't want when the time comes. So we're going to ask, what is going to happen? They themselves who are advocating for this in our industry should be planning and to say, okay, when the road open up, this is the agenda. These are the ideas that we have. What is it that you think we can work with, or what I to give, blah, blah, black sheep have in the wool. That's what I'm assuming that they're doing. If they're not doing that, they need to start, because June 21st is going to forward quicker than we can expect.
All right. Bus Driver Junior, they're on the live too as well. So big up Bus Driver Junior. I hope Bus Driver, here we go on. And, I hope the man them who has spearheaded the campaign reach out to you. And, cause you one of the good promoter them in the UK. So, invite definitely. You to a seat at the table, because you are one of the champion promoter them where have a big say in dance also. Would I like to hear your input on it, and would I fix dance all over here, because a lot of selectors and DJs and promoters not doing it right. Because Rick, tell the truth. You ever got some party sometime, and when they take a picture and my man and you look on the picture, you some sheet metal in the background, like you run a one part of Tivoli garden way, or some zinc fence around it.
That's true.
So if we not fix up dancehall and start have this conversation with the local MP and them people, if we start get some venue and stuff like that, now go better. And in terms of how we present dancehall to the world, we need to fix up that part, because see there, UK dancehall is on a little buzz at the moment. You see all the artists them I get a good looking. So me could just cherish that now and support a man. And when I say support, me not talk about go over in page, go put two fire when him up on live, and that's not support.
One question.
30 seconds, Rick, and no more after that.
All right, just name a name, don't explain anything. Who do you think is responsible for the dancehall space in UK getting such a buzz for the last?
In terms of what? Promoter or selectors or what?
Like
Stylogy.
What do you think? I would say Stylogy as well.
2 years, yeah. And recently, may I have to give a big shout out. Sorry, may I have to interject this.
It's still Stylogy.
Assistant Score, Big Z, Shanty Force, Style of British dropped the other day, guys. It'll create a whole heap of buzz. Go and support them, and the rest of the artists them. But Assistant Score, I'm a new song. Yeah, I'm a new song.
Want to know this? May I always say this to a dog. Say UK have so much talent, but on an international scale, is only one person is known internationally, and it's Stylogy. We don't have a selector when known outside the UK. We don't have a promoter we do a nice party where you go someplace in Ireland and say that party there UK, you don't know boy, and them know. We don't have one of them there. So that's just something is wrong. So we need to fix up that something for 2021. Yeah, make us fix things.
Yes. Make us fix things. My God.
Rasta, lay it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a good little chat. So yeah, interesting conversation, and I hope the necessary people will take the little sense out of nonsense over here at Chat and Beer Things. Shout out to everybody that's on Facebook, Twitch, Instagram, YouTube, that's tuned into the Upnlive Show. We're the Upnlive Show team here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shish Prince, and we have a very, very special guest that I'm really excited to have this conversation. I'm really excited to hear what he has to say. Trust me, because he's a man of many opinions, and once he says something, that is what he's going to say.
And him stick by him words.
Stick by him words. You understand? Nah, do it at all. So Dragon All Star, you're gonna drop some music and then we're gonna forward in with the entrance boss shortly.
Entrance.